G'day and welcome to recycledtimberfurnitureoz.com. Today I'm going to give you a little tour of the factory, show some of our machines and what we do, projects on the go. Over the next couple of weeks we're going to start introducing our how-to sections, little projects that you can do from home, even show you some of our bigger projects. If you want to have a go at them yourself, we're able to supply you the timber and some of the parts, or just even do half of the job for you so you get to do the finishing off and save a couple of dollars. Hope you enjoy the video. So here we have a twin drum sander that we use for putting big pieces of timber through, small pieces of timber. Really anything goes through here to get brought back down to a good grit so that it can be ready for final sanding, final touch-ups before paint. This is our thicknesser. It's 520 millimeters wide. It gets used, probably the most popular machine in here, non-stop all day. Great for getting timber as it's just come into us and get it back to all being the same thickness, so that when we put it in the clamps, which are here, it's all down to the same size. Our drop saw is another item that gets used non-stop. It's a fantastic tool. You can do 45-degree cuts on it. Fantastic for moving everything around. Very, very simple to operate and turn. You can do any angle very quickly. A must-have piece in the shop, as well as our buzzer or jointer, whatever you want to call it. An amazing tool for making edges with slight bows in them straight. Makes a huge difference to the way the shop runs, having the right equipment in here. Life just seems so much easier when it's you got all the right tooling. Our table saw is also a must-have item for us. It gets used all day, every day. And you know, being able to slide your saw, put long lengths of timber on it. You can pick them up quite cheap at auctions. You can buy brand new ones. Personally, I think the older built equipment is pretty good, pretty reliable, and this runs all day, every day. One of the other most important tools here is we do our own welding, our own metalwork, all of our custom designs. We get different projects for not just furniture but anything to do with steel. As you can see, we hold a little bit of steel, but we order in whatever we need on a day-by-day basis. Our bandsaw here is just a great piece of equipment. It's a Hafco. They're not cheap, but they're a must-have if you want to be in the metalwork side of things. 45-degree angles on it, good roller beds that are levelled off, so all of our cuts are always perfect. Bit of setting up required in it, but well worth the investment. And we have our welders, we have our workbenches, we have our drills, have our grinders, and as I said, we have our welder. You just can't go wrong if you've got all the right tools. It's pretty easy. We started with a lot less tools, as we do a little bit of a shot throughout the place. We started with the absolute minimal amount of tools and different clamps and all of those things. But overall, with your compressors on hand, a couple of heaters to help with the drying process, you know, it's a really good system. We can build anything you need. We can help you build anything you need. And we look forward to seeing you on our next video. Cheerio.